Okay, so taking the spark plugs out, I done took the wires out. All you do is pull, 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 pull. Same there. You use a 15mm socket. Take out those. Which, again, all you do is pull it, pull it, pull, pull. Same right there. Make sure you keep it organized. So on this car, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you come over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, again, keep it organized. Make sure they go into the right spot. Okay, so with replacing the spark plugs and wires, I'm going to clean down each side of one of those. The rag, because there shouldn't be any oil down in there. Clean it out before I put them back in. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I got down in there cleaned. Now I got all that oil that was leaked down in there. I'm going to get my spark plugs and my socket, my extension. Now the important thing you need to know is to not use the wrench to put it in. You'll use it to tighten it up, but you want to hand tighten it. So I'll go ahead and show y'all what that's going to look like. Okay, so you kind of just want to have it like this. You don't want to use the actual tool to first put it in to get it in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick and then I'll show you. Okay, spark plug one is done. Let me show you how I did it. My spark plug, kind of eased it down in there. I don't know if you can really see. Okay, now you see how it's kind of crooked down in there. Now I used my finger to guide it in to where it needs to be, and now it's more balanced. You kind of just want to get where you can get your socket down in there. Okay, like I said, I don't use the extension at first, or I don't use the socket wrench at first. Righty tighty. We'll see it's starting to get down in there. You just want to have patience with it. Okay, now I feel it's too tight for my hand to spin it. So I will barely do it. Okay, now I feel like I would take too much strength to do the rest, and you don't want to break it in there. So that's how I did it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two real quick. I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now we're ready to put the wires on. Your longest wire out of the ones, which is this one, is going to be your 1. One's on this side. Push it in. And I put the wire down right here. Run it over here. One's right here. Now it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me, but well. Nice and snug. 1, 2, which is your second longest. 3, which is your third longest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And now 4. And there you go. Of course, you want to push your wires down. Make sure they're running down through there because that's where they're going to have to go. But we'll run them down, put the engine bay cover over it, keep it all nice and organized, and I'll show you what that should look like.